GSSRS, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, again, this is welcoming His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. The enemy is at work to see how they can, if they will, to spoil things for us. So I need to monitor what is happening. Like I said on Monday, we all understand the problem, and we're doing everything together with the federal government to make life easy for our people. Mr. Marvin, in as much as I condone with you, when I say Jesus say, you have done it again, Jesus say, in a special way, what seems impossible, you have made possible. You can imagine in our midst today, we have the 23 Caretaker Chairmen. Is it not God? If it were before, they will be hiding now. Those ones will be hiding. But today, they are here with us. So when I say he's eating from left and right, I know what I mean. You're a lucky guy. Secondly, Mama has gone. I can say she lived a good life. 70 is the Bible age, when the blessings of God is upon you. For you to add additional 10 plus, it means God loves you. So Mr. Marvin, your mother lived well, and I believe that you will also live like her, so that you can also stay up to 80, if not more. I hope you're hearing me. And the secret is this: ensure that your hands are clean. Live a clean life. Don't be in any meeting to undo people, so that you don't get old while you are still young. What we're doing here is to show support to one of us. And I'm happy that I'm able to come to support him physically, not just by words. And I also want to appreciate every one of you that are here to support our own. I'm not wishing to attend this kind of thing. So I will not say, I will not bless you with this type of thing. I will bless you with other things. Mr. Marvin, please, on behalf of our very big family, Simplified Movement, I want to say on behalf of them that we feel your pain, we understand what you're going through. Even if your mother is 100 plus, when she leaves, you still feel that pain. So we condole with you. Just be strong. And whatever is remaining, know that you are the head of the family. Join force with other members of your family to ensure that the memory, the good life, and the legacy of your mother is kept alive. Let me, on behalf of the government and the wonderful people, seek your support, everyone that is here. We're in a trying time. We are in a trying time, but we need to work together to make sure that we build that Nigeria, that river state of our dream. I've said it, and I'm saying it again. I will not live without making a positive impact in the life of our states. No matter the distraction, our eyes are on the ball. We will not play with the education of our children. We will not joke with quality health care. And we will make sure that we invest heavily in food production in our states. Please, everybody should learn to be patient and peaceful. Learn to be patient and peaceful. It gets bad before it gets better. We are at the point of that breakthrough to a wonderful state and the envy of a country. When I say envy of a country, if we pass through this stage, Nigeria will be great. We just have to support Mr. President to make sure that this phase passes. Thank you. May God bless every one of you.